Hello, my name is Manya Zawal, and this is Civics Review Question with answers and explanations for the answers. Part 1, Unit 1 to Unit 4. Unit 1. Say true or false. Question number 1. A citizen is a person who has certain rights but no obligations. The answer is false, because citizens have both rights and obligations, such as obeying the law, paying taxes, and etc. Question number 2. Citizens are required to abide by the laws of their country and protect it against its enemies. The answer is true, because a key responsibility of citizens is to follow and defend their country if needed. Question number 3. To be a good citizen, one must be irresponsible. The answer is false. Good citizenship involves responsibility, such as respecting the law, contributing to society, and being accountable. Question number 4. All countries follow the same procedure in granting and loss of citizenship. The answer is false, because each country has its own procedures and requirements for granting and losing citizenship. Question number 5. Citizenship is a legal standing that comes with being a recognized member of a country. The answer is true, because citizenship is indeed a legal status that signifies membership in a country with rights and duties attached. Choose the correct answer. Question number 6. Which one of the following is correct about citizenship? A. Is a legal status. B. Refers to full and responsible membership of the state. C. A citizen is a person who holds the title of citizenship. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above, because citizenship is a legal status, denotes full membership in the state, and refers to individuals who hold the title of citizenship. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not the feature of a good citizen? A. Expose any wrongdoing. B. Who is willing to make sacrifice for his country's benefit. C. Does not show respect towards others. D. Upholds democratic principles. The answer is does not show respect towards others. A good citizen should show respect towards others. This is not a feature of good citizenship. Question number 8. In diverse society, blank is important for peaceful coexistence. A. misunderstanding, B. tolerance, C. mistreating, D. disregarding. The answer is tolerance. Tolerance is key to peaceful coexistence, especially in diverse societies, as it promotes respect and understanding. Part 3. Match column A with column B. Did you finish? Good. Let's proceed. Citizenship by descent is the principle of right of blood. Citizenship by adoption is acquired the citizenship of an individual that recognized as legal parents. The answer for citizenship by birth will be, it usually referred to as right of soil. Citizenship by marriage refers to a foreign national who marries a national of a certain country and acquire citizenship. Unit 2. Say true or false. Question number 1. A state is a formally established political community that operates under the authority of a government. The answer is true. A state is a political entity that has a government to enforce laws and manage its affairs. Question number 2. The population of a state must be of a single race, religion, language, and culture. The answer is false, because a state can have a diverse population with multiple races, religions, languages, and cultures. Diversity does not prevent the existence of a state. Question number 3. There can be no state without government. The answer is true. A government is essential for the functioning of the state, as it provides leadership, order, and enforcement of laws. Question number 4. The government, unlike the state, exists indefinitely. It retains power indefinitely as long as the state retains sovereignty. The answer is false, because governments can change through elections or other means, while the state retains sovereignty regardless of the government in power. Choose the correct answer. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a necessary component of the state? A. population, B. territory, C. political party, D. sovereignty. The answer is political party, because while political party may exist within a state, they are not a necessary component of the state itself. The essential components are population, territory, and sovereignty. Question number 6. Blank is a form of government in which sovereign power is vested in a group of people considered superior and best qualified to rule. A. monarchy, B. aristocracy, C. dictatorship, D. democracy. The answer is aristocracy. Aristocracy is a form of government in which power is held by a privileged group considered the most qualified to rule. Question number 7. Which of the following statement best describes the state? A. is made up of the entire population. B. membership is not automatically granted. C. is concrete. D. is made up of people's representatives. The answer will be membership is not automatically granted, because membership in the state as in a citizen is typically acquired through legal processes such as birth, descent, or naturalization. Give short answer. Question number 8. What are the 4 main functions of government? The answers include maintaining law and order, providing public services, defending the country, and promoting economic stability and growth. Question number 9. What happens if one of the elements of a state is missing? The answer will be, if one of the essential elements from population, territory, sovereignty, and government is missing, the state may not be able to function effectively, and it could lose its status as a recognized state. For example, without a government, there would be no authority to enforce laws, and without sovereignty, a state would lack independence. Unit 3. Say true or false. Question number 1. Democracy is thought to have originated in ancient Rome. The answer is false, because democracy is thought to have originated in ancient Athens, Greek, not Rome. ancient Rome had a form of republic with elected representatives, not direct democracy. Question number 2. The substantive view of democracy focuses on what a government actually does. The answer is true. The substantive view emphasizes the outcomes of governance, such as ensuring justice, equality, and respect for human rights. Question number 3. There is no contribution from ancient Athenian democracy to modern democracy. The answer is false, because ancient Athenian democracy laid the foundation for modern democratic principles such as participation, equality, and direct decision making by citizens. Question number 4. In a representative democracy, the people of a particular state have a direct say in political matters. The answer is false, because in a representative democracy, citizens elect representatives to make decisions on their behalf rather than directly deciding on political matters themselves. Question number 5. Through reform under the guise of capitalism, social democracy seeks to achieve equality and a classless society. The answer is false, because social democracy advocates for reform within a capitalist system to address inequalities, but does not seek a completely classless society. It aims for more equitable distribution of resources. Choose the correct answer. Question number 6. Which of the following actors is important in the process of democratization? A. Political parties. B. Mass media. C. Public opinion. D. All. The answer will be all, because political parties, mass media, and public opinion all play crucial roles in the democratization process by shaping political discourse, facilitating communication, and influencing public participation. Question number 7. Which of the following statements about ancient Athenian democracy is true? A. Citizenship was restricted to a small elite. B. Women and slaves were not allowed to participate. C. It was a direct form of democracy. D. All. The answer is all. Athenian democracy was a direct form of democracy where only a small elite or free male citizens could participate. Women, slaves, and non-citizens had no political rights. Question number 8. What type of democracy is known for promoting a free market system? A. Social democracy. B. Developmental democracy. C. Liberal democracy. D. Economic democracy. The answer will be liberal democracy, because liberal democracy promotes individual freedoms, limited government, and a free market system where economic decisions are primarily driven by markets. Question number 9. Jarsumma as an indigenous governance system is being practiced in A. Oromia, B. Tigray, C. Afar, D. Somalia. The answer is Oromia. Jarsumma is an indigenous governance system practiced in the Oromia region of Ethiopia, focused on community-level decision-making. Question number 10. Which of the following statements about democracy is true? A. Democracy and democratization is a process. B. Democracy can be built by the participation of government only. C. Direct democracy is best known in our contemporary era than before. D. None. The answer is democracy and democratization is a process, because democracy is a continuous process of development involving participation of both government and citizens, and it evolves over time. Unit 4. Say true or false. Question number 1. All citizens are treated unequally under the rule of law. The answer is false, because under the rule of law, all citizens are treated equally, regardless of their status, wealth, or position. Question number 2. According to the concept of law, both the governor and the governed are subject to the same laws. The answer is true. The rule of law asserts that everyone, including the government and its leaders, is subject to the law. Question number 3. The supreme law of the land in a democratic country is commonly referred to as a constitution. The answer is true, because the constitution is typically the supreme law of a democratic country, outlining the structure of government and fundamental rights. Question number 4. Custom is one of the oldest sources of law. The answer is true, because customary law, based on long-standing practices and traditions, is one of the oldest sources of law in many societies. Question number 5. The presence of arbitrary power is one of the signs of respect for the rule of laws. The answer is false, because arbitrary power is a sign of the absence of the rule of law, as it suggests that decisions are made without consistent legal principles or fairness. Choose the correct answer. Question number 6. One of the following statements is not true about the importance of rule of law. A. It is a precondition for the existence of democratic government. B. It helps the judiciary work without interference from other forces. C. No one has the right to speak and write their own opinions. D. Citizens of the country live in dignity and equality. The answer is no one has the right to speak and write their own opinions, because the rule of law ensures freedom of speech and the right to express opinions. So this statement is not true. Question number 7. Respecting rule of law is also manifested through A. The prevalence of security and order. B. The equal application of the law. C. An independent judiciary. D. All of the above. The answer is all of the above, because respect for the rule of law is demonstrated by security, equality before the law, and an independent judiciary. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a factor influencing the rule of law? A. Corruption. B. Illiteracy. C. Poor leadership. D. Patriotism. The answer is patriotism. While corruption, illiteracy, and poor leadership undermine the rule of law, is not a direct factor influencing it. Give short answer. Question number 9. What does it mean to say Ethiopia is a country of laws rather than men? The answer is, it means that in Ethiopia, laws govern the action and decisions of individuals, including government leaders, rather than personal will or arbitrary decisions. It emphasizes that no one is above the law, and everyone, including government officials, must act according to established legal principles. Question number 10. What is the connection between the rule of law and democracy? The answer is, the rule of law and democracy are closely connected because democracy relies on the rule of law to ensure that all citizens are treated equally and fairly, that their rights are protected and that government power is exercised within legal limits. In a democratic system, the law is the foundation of governance and serves to prevent the abuse of power, promoting accountability and transparency.